God, we're here again. So today I want to be talking to you guys about a new movement. I've been showing a lot of my students on how to make easy money in 2019, right? And it's called Kids Play Money. Basic little referral app. All you're doing is literally referring people to actually click your link and get paid $5, or click your link and sign up and get paid $15, right? Literally in the past 24 hours, I have made, if you look right here, I have made $450, $475, and I put one of my best friends, Kosi, on it. He made like over $1,000. Showed a lot of my friends this opportunity, and it's mind-blowing just because it's just like Doge, if you guys ever heard of Doge. But it's actually different just because you're not putting in your personal information. You're literally putting in your email, name, and password. So if you're watching this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. This is the easiest way to actually, get yourself involved into an opportunity in 2019 and start making money. I'm showing a lot of people this opportunity due to the fact that everyone is looking for a way to get capital for their business, and this is probably the right way to actually do it. So the link should be below. Don't know how long it's gonna take. There's a lot of people cashing out from this opportunity, and I suggest you guys to actually get involved. Now, it is gonna take some time because people think it is a scam to cash out. What I did and all my friends did was that we actually signed in on our mobile browser, downloaded 3 of the games. Like one of them was like Paint, another one was like Solitary. One of them you have to like subscribe, but make sure to subscribe after like 7 days before they charge you. I think it's like $7-9. But like I said, it's actually easy. It's a new movement in 2019. This is actually crazy. I'm personally gonna cash out over $5,000 in the next few days. A lot of my friends are gonna cash out too, and we're gonna invest into other business adventures. Like I said, it's an easy opportunity. So if you're watching this video right now, make sure to click the button below, sign up, get into this, share this link to your friends, your mom, your auntie, your grandma, your co-workers. It's the easiest movement in 2019, right? So about to go back to my room, get back to work. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on Facebook, make sure to click the button below. Love you guys so much.